All right, guys. So I've had like 3 or 4 of you send me this video or videos like this talking about Tilly Norwood. Now, I've heard a little bit about it, but I guess Tilly Norwood is like this generic AI actress that's supposed to throw a wrench into acting as we know it, and it's going to destroy Hollywood. And I got some things I want to say about that and about this discussion in general. So I'm really eager to get into this. Before we do, guys, as always, take a second to at least consider subscribing and ringing the bell at the time of this video. We're trying to get to 50K. Again, I never really thought it would get this big, but here we are. Let's see where we can take it. So grab your popcorn, get comfortable. Let's get into this Tilly Norwood thing.
So Hollywood is about to lose its mind. Meet the very first AI actress, Tilly Norwood. Tilly is about to change Hollywood forever. She's considered an AI tool.
Before we get too much further, I love this suspenseful music. So suspenseful. Such a nice piece of work in itself with this video.
AI actress. Think about this part. They don't have to pay her a dime. So the union that represents actors and actresses in Hollywood has already made a statement, and they're not happy about what's going on. Think about this. They can actually make this AI tool / AI actress do whatever they want. So the days of big name Hollywood celebrities demanding XYZ to do certain scenes, she can now do that. So the days of I'm not comfortable shooting that scene or doing that type of scene are over, because Tilly Norwood can do that scene for you. So another thing to consider, is this going to be the future of Hollywood productions, let's say in the next 5 to maybe 10 years? As a matter of fact, take a look at this.
Hollywood actors are speaking out, responding to reports that multiple talent agencies are interested in signing an AI actress.
I'm built on everything that came before me.
Tilly Norwood might seem like any other aspiring actress. She has an Instagram page showing off her screen tests alongside candid moments.
Tilly Norwood, 100% AI generated.
So after watching that, what are your thoughts? I mean, think about actors and actresses today, how they have to enhance them because of age. They're human beings, correct? These are AI tools, AI generated actors and actresses. You can keep them at whatever age you want, or make them age if you need them to. So I guess my question to you is, after seeing and hearing all of this, what are your thoughts? Is Hollywood in trouble? Is this the next generation of movie stars in the making? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and as always, I'd love to hear from you.
Here's the thing, man. Here's the thing. The whole AI discussion, for whatever reason, I don't get as freaked out about it as many people do. Mainly because so much of the things people are fearing are things that, like, we, the people, could have quite a leg to stand on putting a stop to it. A common one I hear is like Amazon. People say Amazon's replacing their workers with AI. And if the people in mass said, we're not going to have this. If you're not going to employ all these people, we're not going to buy anything from you anymore. If everybody in mass did that, they would have to stop in their tracks. They need the customer. The customer has much more power than they think. It's just this inability to unify. Like, we can all agree as a whole, for the most part, AI is kind of bad. Now, the people that argue that it's not bad are the people that just want the convenience. They want the convenience and the ease from AI. But when it comes to replacing jobs and stuff, like, there's no argument you're going to make that's going to make me believe that it's a good thing. No, it's not. These people need these jobs. So AI does not need to replace them. There's no scenario where I see it as a good idea. I'm sorry, there's just not. And I'm not a fan of most of the people in Hollywood, but still, I want a real human to do this. I want a real human to act, personally. I'm just like with the Amazon example. I want these people to have jobs. Half of them don't do the best job. I just had a package delivered the other day that never made it to me. Someone else got it. But nonetheless, I don't want these companies to, get rid of all these people, and then the big shots are really making even more money. And again, I'm a pro-capitalist guy, but there's no world where I think this is a good thing. As far as Hollywood goes, though, in itself, I think Hollywood is already crumbling much more than a lot of people want to admit. Most people don't want to watch these movies. Most of these movies are garbage. They can't really write anything new. And whatever they do write, it's not entertaining to most people. It's not creative. It's already relied on like CGI and, crazy effects. It's already relied on that so much for so long that the idea of the Tilly Norwood thing to me isn't that shocking. It's not some, crazy concept to me. The only thing that bothers me is that it's going to potentially take away from actual humans doing the job, which I don't like. But they've already, watch any of the Transformer movies or anything. It's already AI, CGI, and effects. There's no real quality acting. There hasn't been quality acting since what? 80s? 80s is maybe the 90s, whatever. You know what I'm saying? You can argue that. I bring up the show Columbo all the time. If you guys don't know what Columbo is, we can't be friends. Columbo is one of the greatest shows ever, in my opinion. Peter Falk. I watch Columbo all the time, still to this day. The quality of acting is amazing to me. The ability that the people have back then or had back then to just convey the feeling without saying a word. It's beautiful. It's amazing. The Wonder Years. I've brought up the Wonder Years many times. I mean, we can go down the list. We can go down the list of all the different TV shows or movies back in the day that were just such good quality. I mean, Hollywood probably needs this because most actors and actresses today, I don't imagine they're going to do as good of a job as they did back in the day. That's just my opinion. Some people are going to get mad that I say that. I don't know. I don't like the idea of it taking away people's jobs, but also Hollywood is a rotten, disgusting pit already. I don't mind seeing it fail, I don't mind seeing it fail. But as far as other things being affected by AI, like job being replaced, I'm not a fan of it. And the people in mass need to take a stand and tell these companies, we're not going to support you anymore if you do this. If you're not going to employ these people, no, this ain't going to fly. That's just my thoughts. Let me know what you guys think. Like the video. If you did like the video, that helps me out. It offsets the haters. As the channel grows, there are plenty of haters. So you guys taking a second to like the video would help me out quite a bit. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. I don't know why you haven't already, but you should. Until next time, guys, I'm going to leave you the way that I always try to leave you. Take your vitamins, hit the gym, and always stay improving. That's very important. In order to look, feel, smell, and be good, you need to be improving. God bless. Be well. I'm out.